This video is so special because I had covered top 10 trending scholarship for 12th passed student. Have you recently passed your class 12th examination? If yes, then you must have decided on the career option that you want to choose further. In fact, some of you have started their studies too in the new academic session. However, there might be some of you who must be looking for suitable financial resource to fund your education further. So don't worry and watch this video till the end. In this video, you will get some selective scholarship for 12th passed students that will surely help you in pursuing your dream academic career. HDFC Bank Educational Crisis Scholarship Support. The scholarship has been introduced with an objective to provide financial support to students who face difficulty in bearing the cost of education and are at the risk of dropping out due to a family or personal crisis. It is one of the means-based scholarship for students of class 6th and above that is being offered by HDFC Bank. Eligibility for this scholarship is class 6th and above. Benefit of that scholarship are scholarship of rupees 10,000 for school student and 25,000 for diploma or ITI or college or university student. Next, Dr. Reddy Foundation Sashakt Scholarship. This is a scholarship for 12th passed student, especially young and talented girls, to encourage them to pursue higher studies in the field of science and address the contribution of girl student in science during the transition from school to college. Eligibility class 12th passed student only for girls. Award 80,000 per annum for 3 years. Next, M Scholarship. Under its CSR initiative, Magma FinCorp offers 100 scholarships for meritorious students of class 12th who are willing to undertake an undergraduate degree course from a recognized university or institute in India. Eligibility: class 12th passed student with minimum 80% marks in the qualifying exam. Benefit you get by that scholarship amount ranging between 20,000 to 50,000 per annum. Next, Santur Women Scholarship. This is yet another exclusive scholarship opportunity for class 12th passed girl student that aim at supporting their various expenses related to education. The scholarship is applicable for students who are permanent resident of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Eligibility: class 12th pass girls. Benefit of this scholarship 24,000 rupees per annum. Next, Sahu Jain Trust Loan Scholarship. To support the dreams of numerous aspirants willing to pursue a technical degree course, the Sahu Jain Trust has introduced this scholarship. This scholarship is applicable for students willing to pursue an MBA, engineering, medical or infotech course. Eligibility: students pursuing graduation and post-graduation in technical subject. Benefit you get by that scholarship rupees 25,000 per annum. Next, College Board India Scholars Program. This is an initiative of College Board in partnership with India Global Alliance members to provide 100% tuition fee waiver to top performing student of SAT examination at member universities of India Global Alliance. The students are also open to win a discount of 50% to 90% in the SAT fee under this program. Eligibility: class 12th student. Benefit you get by that scholarship tuition fee waiver up to 100%. Next, GEV Memorial Merit Scholarship for law students willing to pursue a career in law. If yes, then this is certainly the right scholarship for you. It aims at financially assisting meritorious students to pursue quality law education at premier institution in India. The student who have obtained at least 60% marks in class 10th and 12th board examination can apply for this scholarship, provided that their annual family income is less than rupees 10 lakh. Eligibility: student aspiring to pursue LLB or LLM degree. Benefit you get by that scholarship rupees 50,000 to 2 lakh towards tuition fee and other academic expenses. Next, Swami Dayanand Education Foundation Merit Cum Mean Scholarship. This Merit Cum Mean Scholarship aim at inspiring and transforming the lives of economically backward but academically brilliant students who want to pursue an engineering, medical or architecture course from a government or private institute in India. Eligibility: student pursuing engineering, MBBS, pharmacy, IT or architecture course. Benefit you get by that scholarship up to 50,000 per annum. Next, Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana KVPY, with an objective to promote and encourage young talent to take up research as a career. The Department of Science and Technology, Government of India offer KVPY scholarship. Under this program, the meritorious student will receive variable award based on their performance in aptitude test and interview. Eligibility: students studying in class 11th, 12th, PCM or PCB, BSc first year, integrated MSc first year. Benefit of that scholarship: up to rupees 7,000 per month and a contingency grant of up to 28,000 per annum. Next and last in our list is RD Sethna Loan Scholarship. Want to undertake a technical, commercial, industrial or scientific study in India or overseas? Apply for RD Sethna Loan Scholarship, which aims to financially assist the deserving student and broaden their academic interest, that in turn will benefit the nation. Eligibility: class 12th passed student and above. Benefit you get by that scholarship: loan scholarship of 10,000 rupees. Stay in touch with that channel to get update about more scholarship and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by this video. Hope to see you in another video. Thank you.